Yeah, what's up guys? You're welcome to my channel once again. So very quickly in this video we'll be looking at the token Binance will be listing soon. So as you can see, the deposit for Biswap is now open on Binance. So Binance will be listing Biswap on their innovation zone. Let's just click on the link to see what's up real quick. So in case you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing before leaving. My name is Isaac. I make videos about cryptocurrencies, and feel free to also join our Telegram community, Telegram channel. In case you're new to our channel, feel free to join, where we share updates about cryptos. We share cryptocurrency signals, new pre-sales, ideas, and the rest. So that's just it. And so looking at Binance will list Biswap with the ticker symbol of BSW in the innovation zone. So the trading will kickstart on the 21st of March, which is this month 2022, and that's 13:30 UTC time, as you can see over here. 13:30 UTC time. And also the withdrawal will be happening tomorrow, which is 22nd of March 2022, 13:30 UTC time. So you have to take note of all those aspects. And also where is it? And users can now deposit. As you can see, this is very important information. Users can now start depositing BSW in preparation for the trading. Withdrawal for BXW, like I said earlier, will be kickstarting 22nd of March 2022. Time is 13:30 UTC. And note, the withdrawal open time is an estimate time for users reference. Users can view the actual status of withdrawal on the withdrawal page, you understand? And what is Biswap? So for some of you that are new to this project, Biswap is a decentralized exchange DEX built on the BNB chain. Biswap offers low transaction fee and has a gamified D app, you understand? Part of Biswap revenue will be used to buy back and burn Biswap token. It's a native governance token, which is the BSW. Okay, so let's just check CoinMarketCap out real quick to see what's up. So looking at the token on CoinMarketCap, it has risen 17% ever since when I posted it. Can you imagine, guys? Like, by the time I posted it in my Telegram channel, the price was, as you can see, when I posted it on the Telegram channel, the price was around, it wasn't up to 1%, but now the price has skyrocketed to 17%, guys. So that's it. Congratulations to those who took the trade from our Telegram channel. And if you still want to buy this token, I think it's still much wise to buy it. You can get it on gate.io, you can get it on Hello Bank, you can get it on Mdex exchange, you can get it on a lot of exchanges, Pancakeswap, Biswap, and OKX, XT, and yeah. So that's it. And my name is Isaac once again. Please, in case you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel before leaving. As always, peace out.